Oh, thank you, honey.
Everyone should help me cook.
Oh, honey, what's Yes.
Hey, bless.
Hi. Oh, this is amazing.
Family. It's not always this good. It's a lifetime relationship with the same people going through different moments, struggles, and trying to figure it out. Welcome to our family retreat. This is us. And we're just about to have a small snack before we do a little bit of inner work. At some point, we all have to come to this place where we accept that being family doesn't mean that because we look the same, we think the same, or that we even are the same. Sometimes it takes some work to see things from the same perspective. Most of the time, what we're doing when we're struggling as family is looking at the same horizon through different eyes, seeing different things, and presuming that we all see this life the same way. Because surely we come from the same home. We have the same blood, same ancestors. We should get this. It should be easy. Sure enough, you think coming from the same place, forged in the same fire, we should all just get each other. But what we often do with family is we project onto our loved ones the people who we thought they were. Perhaps the people who we wished they were. We're sad because this person isn't the dad you thought they should be, the mom, the sister that you saw in that holiday movie. This moment you're trying to create isn't the thing that they're appreciating the way that you hoped, because they're not the person you wished they could be. They're the person that they already are. And what's happening is, instead of taking them at face value, as a person first, an individual, maybe a loner, maybe a stoner, whatever, taking them as who they are instead of who you wished they were. That's honestly something I've seen cause the most pain. And I hope these holidays you can just look at your loved ones and see them. And maybe when they look at you, they'll see you too. I've been on a family retreat here in Mpumalanga. And that's where we've spent the weekend. It's been very restful, and I hope that out of this something amazing will come. Of course, um, family is one of those things that we have to work at. We have to actively participate in, and this is one of the ways in which we build our family, which is to take time out and be away from technology and the hustle and bustle, and have deeper conversations and set intentions around the relationships that we want to cultivate between each other, amongst each other as a family. So have a beautiful, beautiful week, and I'll see you this coming Sunday. Of course.